Waza nendlebe ngize nendaba. Allegedly sesikhulume kaningi ngalosisi okuthiwa uZizipho ukuthi akaphumi indabeni ze-MK Party. And always uma ngabe nikhuluma nge-MK Party akekho noyedwa kuma fighters okhuzayo. Kodwa once waphendula kulento akayikhulumayo baqala bathi wena ukhuluma nge-EFF. Yabona nje ngikhuluma ngoZizipho la ipost yakhe le kaZizipho. Ngiresponda kuyo. Kodwa abantu be-EFF bazokutshela ukuthi hlukana ne-EFF. Like, where is common sense in that? Angikho sure bafethu around 2018 ukuthi nani kuphi iDA ithi akulokhuzwe umama uBathabile Dlamini kanye noMelusi Gigaba bakhishwe eParliament. Usho iDA okwakuyi official opposition at the time. Angazi uZizipho yena wayekuphi kanye noJulius Malema ngoba naye ngimzwile esho kufanayo ukuthi iMK is an official opposition. We can't call for the head of a minister. But iDA yakwenza 2018 against uBathabile Dlamini noMelusi Gigaba. So angifuni ukuphendula kabi because sigcina sithukekela ukuthi nathi silele iqembu lethu eliathekwayo. Because uma ngiphendula uZizipho kanje ingoba uZizipho constantly reports on MK Party asho nokuthi si stupid, including upresident wakhe. So and then at the end ebese kuthukwa thina kuthiwe thina sisukela iEFF. But asukeli iEFF. Ngiyaresponda njengamanje kwivideo yenziwa uZizipho esho the very same thing that was said by uJulius Malema 2 days ago. So uZizipho phumani ku-MK. Phumani ku-MK. Siyazi ukuthi niyazonda, we are enemy number 1 and all of that thing. But phumani ku-MK. Ake nizame nanokukhankasa nizothola ngaphezulu kwa 9%. Right now we are acting like people who are on 9%. Abantu abangakadluli u10% mhlawumbe babe nama double digits. We are acting like them. Laba bale abafana no IFP abaphaphathela yonke into. We are acting like them. And then nizirigada njengephathi engcono, even ingcono na ku-MK nina manizibeka. Nizibona njenge-official opposition nina. So but you are acting like IFP lamaphathi Bosa, lamaphathi lawa agijimisa ukuthi afuna ukuplease uCyril Ramaphosa. Why are you doing that? Phumani ku-MK bafethu. Asinandaba nani. You have nothing that you can offer us anyways. Asinandaba nani. You are not in government. We are not fighting you. Thina silwa ne-GNU. So nani phumani kithi yenzani okufanayo nani nilwe ne-GNU. Niyeke i-MK. I-MK is not your competition. Even if it was, you were not going to win against the MK. So leave MK alone. How?